Okay. Question number 2, same question. Question 1 we have done in the previous period. Now we are going to do the second question. Okay.
Oh. Alright.
Wait a second. Okay. 8424 is divisible by
8, 4.
A option 2, B option 3, C option 6, D option. Second.
Ma'am, revision copy.
Obviously, yes. Wherever you have done the first question, then you have to do the same in the second question. 4, 6, 5, then
Alright.
9. Do this. Do this.
Ma'am, we have to just simply take on that number which is
No,
divisible by.
no. You have to solve it.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to show why. With the reason you have to show why.
Ma'am, after completing, we have to send in WhatsApp.
Yes.
And the sum of it is 8 plus 16 plus 2, 18. 18 is not available now. 9, it's coming in the table of 9. Yes, it's coming in the table of 9.
Okay, tell me, if any number is divisible by 10, then it is compulsory that it will be divisible by 5 also.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
If
No,
any
ma'am.
number is
Yes,
divisible by 10, then it is divisible by 5. True or false? If any number
ma'am,
is
we have to
divisible by
write
10,
it. Ma'am,
obviously
we have
yes.
to write it. Ma'am,
Yes.
obviously yes.
Why?
Ma'am, because we check the last digit in 5 also and in 10 also.
Very
So
good.
if
Speak.
so in 10 the last digit is 0 and in 5 also if the last digit is 0 so means it is.
Yes. See, yes, this is true that if a number is divisible by 10, then it will be divisible by 5. It is true. Why? Because if the last, because, beta, but it is divisible by 10. This I told you. The condition is it is divisible by 10. If the number is divisible by 10, then it is divisible by 5 automatically. But if I say if a number is divisible 5, then it will be divisible by 10. Is it also compulsory? No, this is not compulsory. I will let you write down this question. Wait a second. First do this, then I'll make you write down that one.
Ma'am, how we have to solve it?
Which one? Beta here,
Ma'am,
for
second
example, I
question.
can show you. For 2, it's, you say last digit. You check the, for 2, what you check? The last digit is 4. Yes.
Even.
Like this you have to do.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's easy.
Like this you have to do. Okay, I'm explaining again. Last digit is 4. That means yes, it is divisible by 2. See, 3 ke liye we added 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. So 18 is coming. It is divisible by 3? Yes. So for 6, we check it by 2. By 2, it is divisible? Yes, it is divisible. By 3, it is divisible? Yes, by 3, it is divisible. So that means it is divisible by 6 also. Okay, 5. Let's see the last digit. What is the last digit here? 4. Last digit is 4. 4 is not divisible? No. Last digit should be 0 or 5. Now 9. By 9, again we're going to add this. We have already added it here. 18 is coming. 18 comes in the table of 9. Yes, that means it is divisible by 9. Understood, everyone? Any problem? Shall we proceed to the next question? Okay, Hridyansh. Very good, Hridyansh. टेबल की स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी है हृदयांश. No need to write 9 table. We don't write 9 table. We say it is divisible by 9. Okay. We don't speak it as 9 table. Divyang correct. Anushka correct. Pratyusha correct. Ishika, it is correct. Anjali correct. Dhwani correct beta. Okay, good. Vivek, Pratishtha, Devansh. Devansh, it is wrong. Who is this Devansh Chaudhary? Acha. Devansh, this is wrong. This is not applicable. The way you have written the answers, they are not correct. Vivek, it is correct. Good. Vivek. Okay. Now let us proceed to the next question. You have wasted a lot of time. Now the next question. Just wait a second. Okay, now question number 3. I'm wrapping question 2. All of you have done this. Almost everyone has done this. I got your answers also. Few of you have not done it correct, so correct it. Okay, try question 3. Question 3. Just wait a second. Just wait a second.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
I will see. Wait a minute. Abhi, I've seen one number. Okay.
Ma'am, it is easy.
Yes, this one is very easy. I know.
Ma'am, this one is easy. Ma'am, we have to tell the reason also.
No, it is says easy. Just circle it. Just simply circle it. By the time do this, I'm just do not send it the answers right now. I'm giving you more questions. Okay. True, false, confused.
Ma'am, I have done question number 3 also.
Right, true or false? Write these two questions. I can form many questions like this. It could be 2 also.
Ma'am, please get aside.
Beta, if I'll be aside, who will do the write this?
Every number which is divisible by 3 is divisible by 9.
Write these three. True, false.
Ma'am, there are more questions.
It will be there. Divisibility test we have completed. Now there will be more questions of another one. Divisibility test we have completed. Now we will do prime numbers or any other question.
I'm done.
Good.
Ma'am, please don't do more.
What?
Ma'am, we have to send this.
Yes. Yes. You have to send this.
Ma'am, I have not done this.
Since many of you are doing this wrong, just sit on your chair. Anushka, sit on your chair. Do those things afterwards. Look on the board. Look on the board. Stop sending the messages. Look on the board. The question is, listen carefully. The question is, circle the numbers which is divisible by 5 and 10. It should be divisible by 10 and 5 both. Beta, if the number is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 10 also. Okay, so see this one is, you have to check by 10. 10 is the main thing. So it is divisible by 10? Yes. It is not divisible by 10. It is divisible by 5 but not by 10. It is divisible by 5 as well as it is divisible by 10. So we will circle this number. This one, why are you circling? Most of you are circling this number. I don't know why. It is divisible by 5 but it is not divisible by 10. It is written by 10 both. Okay, if you see the last one, the last digit should be, it's 0. Okay, so it is divisible by 10. Anushka, let me speak. It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 10 also. Now we will circle this. Okay, now look here carefully because this is very much confusing and very, very important. Switch off your mics, everyone. Then I'll speak. Okay, good. Anushka, switch off your mic. Okay.
Ma'am, I have also written like this.
Vidyan, switch off your mic. See, every number which is divisible by 5 is divisible by 10. Koi number, if any number is there, it is divisible by 5. Okay, then it is divisible by 10 also. Is it compulsory? Now see. See here, first, better look. No need to tell me it is true or false. Just look at me. If I say any number is there, let it be 55. It is divisible by 5 or not? Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Is it divisible by 10? Like we have done here. It is divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 10. So every number which is divisible by 5 is not divisible by 10. So this one is false. If a number is divisible by 5, it is not possible that it will be divisible by 10. Next question is, every number which is divisible by 10. Any number which is divisible by 10. That means all the numbers, any number which is divisible by 10. 10's divisibility says last digit should be 0. So it is, this number is divisible by 10. So that means it will be divisible by 5 also. So this one is true. Every number which is divisible by 3. Any number which is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 9 also. No. But if it would be every number which is divisible by 9, it is divisible by 3. Then it would be correct. For example, if you say 15, let's take an easy example, 15. 15, 5, 1, 6. It is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 9. So every number which is divisible by 3, every number which is divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 9. So this one is false. Understood, everyone? These were the mistakes you were making in your paper. Most of you have done the wrong answers. Correct them.
Ma'am, I have
Corrected.
Now here we end the divisibility tests.
Ma'am, I have corrected.
Here we end the revision of divisibility test. Now we will do what we will do now. We will do prime numbers, and ma'am, I also divide so I get the same answer as you. Which one, beta? Which one, Hridyansh, are you talking about?
Ma'am, question 3.
Question number 3. You divide the whole answer. You divide all the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Why, beta?
Ma'am,
Don't you know about the divisibility test? Divisibility test make our calculations easy. Divisibility test make our calculations easy. So make your calculations easy using these numbers, using the divisibility test. Why are you doing it by 5? Why are you? Have you divided the whole thing? बेटा आपको पता है जिसके लास्ट में 0 आ रहा है बेटा सी एक हिंदी में I'm explaining just to make you understand. आपको पता है जिसके लास्ट में 0 आएगा वो 10 से डिवाइड हो रहा होगा, है कि नहीं है? जिसके लास्ट में 10 0 नहीं आएगा वो 10 से डिवाइड ही नहीं होगा. तो जिसके एंड में 0 आ रहा था आपको उसको सर्कल कर देना चाहिए था सिंपली. जिसके भी एंड में 0 आ रहा है, because here you have just written 10 also. So 0 0 0 और 5 में तो always 5 और 0 will be there. So 0 is there, 0 is there, 0 is there. जिसमें भी 0 था we have just circled that one. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No need to divide. हाँ बेटा, then.
Ma'am, is there is any divisibility test for 7 and 8?
Yeah, yes, it is there, beta. For 7, it is very much difficult. For 8, it is easy, but it is not in your syllabus. See, in 8, if we have a again we have to do the division. For 8, you have to check the first. See, 2, 4, 8. They are similar. Divisibility test of 2, 4, and 8 are similar. For 2, we check the last digit. For 4, we check the last 2 digits. And for 8, we check the last 3 digits. And last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So we have to divide 3 digits by 8. Or 7 ke liye it is a quite difficult one. So when you will go to 6th or 7th standard, then you might be having this divisibility test.
Okay, ma'am.
And 11 also is there. 11 is also there. And I think 13 is also there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
But better if you remember these easy ones. 2, 3. Say, dekho beta. I told you I made one table previously, and I told you. Okay, I think the meeting is going to be over. I hope we are going to meet in the next class. Be ready with 3 colored sheets, okay? With a scale and, and a paper and a pencil. And also the scale in the next. We will do the activity in the next turn.
Bye, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.